Ha?
Sa ibang team?
Oh. Yan naman yung magaling eh.
Ay, mamayang gabi pa, alaala mo yan, no? Nangingitim na naman.
Ano yung batang ko ganyan?
Pasok.
Kagabi
Ay,
yung
so.
paa niyan, linagyan ko. Iyan ang hindi ko nakita.
Kala mo NBA player. Ayun o.
Isaac these nuts.
Ito o, si Kalbo.
Bumaba ang buhok. Dati dito, napunta dito.
Yeah. Kuya, sabihin mo. Saks.
Ako po, wala na timeout. Ano.
This.
Dalawa pa siya po.
This. Sabi mo this. This.
Dash.
This nga.
Dash.
Nuts. Nuts.
Sack.
Sabi mo yon. Waa.
I forget. Ano ba yan? Si Kalbo! Welcome back, Kalbo. Mandan mo yan, Kalbo!
Foul dapat, oh.
Paul yun.
Hindi pa tinawagan ng referee, ano?
Ah!
Sa na nga, eh. Ayun, oh.
Tim Hardaway with a bad miss. This is a 35-year-old coach who took over in a tough situation. There is not a detail
Buti na lang
miss
yung dalawang
with Joe
Kalbo.
Mazzulla.
Hindi ano,
This guy
nagagalit
Ayun,
yung
complete
nakikita ko.
command of his team, his philosophy, and how he wants to do
This
stuff.
time.
And some of the fans heading for the exits. The stadium knocks down two.
Si Mr. Kalbo.
8.6 remaining. The Celtics withstood that avalanche by the Mavericks. Horford with the foul with 10.8 remaining. They just don't want to let him shoot threes. But they appear to have held off the Mavericks. Who
Wala
lost
na si
Luka
Doncic.
Doncic to 6
Si
fouls
Luka
here
Magic.
on the clock.
Naboy sits na.
Na-foul out
Doncic
sila
fouled
nung
out with
nagawa.
4 minutes and 12 seconds left. The
Aray
Mavericks
ko.
are down 3. They cut it to 2 with 3.5 left.
Ay.
But the Celtics, like they did against Indiana in the conference finals, making the big plays.
Ay.
Ay.
Sumimplang pa.
Wow! 6
What's
pa!
up?
Very quiet here. Airline Center.
Yee! Foul out 3!
Washington hitting the second.
Foul out!